Welcome back, friends, fellow meat enthusiasts. Today, we're going to answer the age-old question. What's better, chicken wings grilled or chicken wings fried? It's a valid question. I enjoy a good grilled wing. I enjoy a good fried wing. They've both got their positives and negatives. The grill, I'm a big fan of because I could put all these wings at once versus my little fryer basket here. They both take a long time, especially in my case, because I like a crispy wing. Once you think it's done, for me, no, you just keep grilling. Same, you just keep frying. We're going to take you through the process, how we season them, how we make our sauce. It's really quite simple. I've got some opinions. Let's say wing A is fried and wing B is grilled, and they taste exactly equal, maybe different but equal. Well, in that case, I'm going to choose, say, the grilled wing because the health benefits. You're grilling all that fat out of it versus you're saturating it in oil and adding more calories to it. For a never fails tangy and spicy wing sauce, you start with a stick of butter, do a cup of Italian dressing, and then we're going to use this whole bottle of our favorite buffalo sauce. That's it. Just going to put that on low simmering heat. You take your wings, you add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, helps make them crispy, and then half a cup of ranch powder, and you let them sit in there for a little bit before you start cooking. Seal the bag up, and we're just going to work that around. Got that good and mixed. Going to let that sit refrigerated for about an hour or two. Low and slow, break down that cartilage, those ligaments, tendons, anything that wouldn't be nice to bite. I used to be a flats guy, but when you cook them this long, the drums are just as good. There's really no problem. Let them dry, then time for a second fry. These are rendering down nicely. We're getting there. I would call these done. Grilled wings, fried wings. We're gonna hit them with our sauce. So key step, you let these rest a minute before you just sauce them because you want them to cool so they maintain their crispiness. You don't want to just sauce them right off the grill because then you undo all that crispiness you've built. They need a minute. Same thing on the fried. I don't know about you guys. I used to go to sports bars, sports pubs, whatever you want to call it, and I would order chicken wings and they were delicious. But then I would go, yeah, let's have those at home for whatever event we're doing. And they'd deliver them or you'd pick them up and they'd be in that styrofoam container which steams them and totally ruins the crispiness. It's not the same. I'm curious to know, fried or grilled? What do you prefer? Let me know where you're at. I'm going to try the fried first. A little bit of blue cheese or ranch if you prefer, but blue cheese in this case. That's amazing. One of my favorites. Really can't go wrong. Crispy, delicious, tangy, spicy, perfect. Let me try the grilled. So they're very different. The frying in oil versus the just grilling. I think I'm biased because I know the health benefits of the grilled. To me, they're just as enjoyable. I like being able to load my grill with a whole bunch of wings and cooking them all in one shot, even though they take a long time versus doing one little basket, one little basket, one little basket. And I know you could throw them in a turkey cooker and do a bigger quantity, but I think something's lost when you get that oil flavor on them. I really think the purest, best wing is a crispy grilled wing. That's just me, guys. Let me know what you think, and if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell to see what we do next. Thank you for watching.